Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim, my dear MRCS candidate, very important two books that you should read, ATLS course and the CRISP course, because they are essential before you start working in United Kingdom. You cannot get a job without a valid ATLS course certificate. And it is important for the exam as well, not just after the exam. So I have asked Vasai to make it easier for you. The ATLS course consists of 13 chapters. Every chapter speaks about certain topic. I've asked Vasai to read ATLS course, summarize each chapter, concentrate on the point of ATLS course which is important for MRCS exam, and give clinical example, give a summary, and give an 8-minute lecture to summarize it for candidates. So now you will find on my platform ATLS course summarized in 13 lectures, each lecture for one chapter, and each lecture is of 8-minute duration, selected by Vasai, and what is relevant for you to pass MRCS exam. No one have done this AI summary to a training course before. I will do the same for CRISP protocol. So all what you need to do, if you have just 8 minutes of your time, every day you study a chapter in a nice interactive way that will make you memorize it better than reading. This is by no way make you don't need to read the ATLS course. Obviously reading is good, but this is to make it easier and to make it imprinted in your memory. My name is Dr. Muhammad Omar Farouk. I'm a consultant vascular surgeon, the examiner of the Royal College of Surgeons of England, and I wish you all the best.